God is a sovereign God. He knows what is best. You need to trust in Him with every transition happening within your life. And you need to know that God is always there. He is always going before you. As in Deuteronomy 31 verse 8, the Bible says, "Do not be afraid or discouraged, for the Lord will personally go ahead of you. He will be with you. He will neither fail you nor abandon you." No matter what you are going through in your life, whether it is a season of joy or a time of struggle, you need to remember that God is always with you. He never leaves you. He never ignores you. And He will never ignore your prayers. And He will never turn His back on you. God is always facing toward you. He is always with you, going before you and all around you. Even when you feel alone, God is right there, guiding you and comforting you, and He is loving you. His presence isn't based on how you feel. It isn't about your emotions, but it is a promise that stands forever. His word is full of promises that He's always with you, that He will never leave you, and He will never forsake you. Trust in Him today and lean on Him, and know that you are never alone. God is always there.